Hello and welcome to Farm Matters and my tip of the month. This month my tip is all about the cattle Eartag format. To look at the Eartag format, I firstly need to go to my on-farm and events. Then choose an animal, go to events and purchase. We can then go through the purchase screen until we come to this screen. You can then add an animal by using the green plus sign here, which brings us to this screen. This is where we can change the format of the Eartag number. If I click on the part of the Eartag number which says UK, you will see I'm then presented with a list of options that I can use. So, in this example, if I use the Northern Ireland 2024 till present with the XI, you can see that the format of the Eartag is now actually changed. You can change this again, an example if we use generic, where this has now just become a free text box, where we can type anything in that we need to. Hopefully, some of the things you've watched will help you maximise your use of the programme. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial.